As we walk in, we are greeted with interior designers. Sorry, what I'm speaking. अनेक बोल दिया कि मैं electrical vehicle. Again. 24 frames क्या है अपना? Hi everyone, welcome to our campus. My name is Disha and I'm a second year BB student.
I'm Eden Khaled, a second year student of physiotherapy.
Today we are going to take you on a quick campus tour to some of the amazing spots out here.
Let's go!
Welcome to our design department, the most artistic corner of our campus. Let's begin. The moment we walk in, we are greeted with inspiring interior and artistic walls and an atmosphere that instantly sparks imagination and innovation. So PID, which is Paro Institute of Design, consists of 5 floors and each floor is dedicated to each branch like fashion designing, visual communication, product designing and cinematography. At present, we are at the ground floor and ground floor is dedicated to fashion designing where we have stitching labs and draping labs for students to get their hands-on practice over the designs that they produce. We have different workshops like woodland, metallica, crystal and 24 frames. So all these workshops are for students to get their hands-on practice for different woodwork, metallic work and sculpting work. For example, in the woodland, people do wood cutting with huge machines, and in metallica, students do welding and then firework. And in crystal, students get hands-on practice on sculpting. So 24 Frames is a very professional studio setup inside the campus where all the TVCs and the university shoots take place. It is also a place where all our cinematographers and videographers from PID also get their hands-on practice about shooting.
Right now, we are in the Siviram building. It is dedicated to the BTech students of our university. Let's go! This is the home to the advanced technology labs. So we have 100 plus computer labs and 2,500 plus high-tech computers specialized in artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, gaming technology, and so on. Right now, we are at the Apple Lab, here where the students learn about the Apple ecosystem. This Apple Lab is certified by the Apple company. We have 2 modules. There are 2 modules. One is the training modules and another one is certification modules. Training modules is done by the beginners for the training and education for the learning process. Second module is a certification module where the further student can go for the further certification of the Apple system. Presently, we are at Champions Cove, where it is a newly indoor complex of our university. So we have multiple sports like table tennis, like snooker, chess, cans, and all.
So we are on an EV right now. Our university is indeed so huge and gigantic that we actually have to travel from one zone to another on an electrical vehicle.
Right now, we are at the Fab Lab. It is allocated in the administrative block where students work on innovation, design, and prototyping ideas. We have advanced machines like 3D printers. There are 2 types of 3D printers. This is the advanced one. We have laser cutting machines and all.
Parallel University consists of boys hostel, girls hostel and international hostel. So all the hostels have inbuilt mess in them. The gate opening time for the hostels is 6:30 in the morning and the gate closing time is 9:30 at the night. All the students get free Wi-Fi access from morning 5 to night 12. So the university offers students a lot of affordable options for the hostel room sharings. For example, 3-bed sharing, 4-bed sharing, which goes up to 10-bed sharing, which is also categorized under AC and non-AC section. So living within the hostels is just like a homey feeling. So right now I'm standing in front of Subhash Chandra Bose building, and this building consists of many departments. Out of those many departments, one of those departments is our law department. So this is a department where our future leaders, advocates and professional lawyers get trained. We also have a moot court for our law students to practice the legal proceedings before they step into the real world. So the 2 reasons why our campus is always happening and lively is because of its events and the food courts. So right now we are at one such food court called Green Z, Greensea has got amazing outlets like Fruiteria, Pahadi Momos, then the Biryani Hub, and then so there's one more stationery out here for helping out the students for the nearby departments, and we also have a Rajwari Chai where they offer amazing Kulhad Chai, and behind me there's just newly opened a Mr. Puff's outlet where they offer amazing pastries and bakery items. Also, there are many more food courts that the campus has, like the new food court, and there's upcoming in under construction food court that's also going to come up within the few months. And then there is Capitol, which has got amazing photogenic places for students to click pictures and hang out. And don't miss this, at night, Greensea becomes an amazing green color heaven zone area, as you can already see by the lightings. So hence the name Greensea, because there is so much greenery around for students to breathe around fresh and clean air.
Our university offers the excellent outdoor sports facilities, including grounds like football, cricket, horse riding, and can you see the behind is a court for the basketball, volleyball, lawn tennis. And this encourages students to stay physically fit and build teamwork and maintain the healthy lifestyles. And this encourages students to have inter-college competitions, faculty competitions, and university competitions and all. Right now, I'm in front of our in-campus gym. We have which is well equipped with a modern fitness equipment in facilities of strength training, body workouts, and cardio. We have two departments. For a male, we have a male department. For a female, we have a female department. For a male, we have a male instructor, and for a female, we have a female instructor. And this gym enrollment goes throughout the year at the affordable prices for convenience for the students.
So this was our campus tour, and trust me guys, you all will love this experience.
And this is not just a university, it's a full of opportunities, and that was just a glimpse of it.
So join us and be a part of this amazing university where academic excellence and events are not just taught, they're lived every day. Because यहाँ possible है.